What if I told you this lighting effect you're seeing on my background is not real? Yes, it is not real. Now let's switch it up. This is my original background. I was able to switch this background. Let's switch back to the lightning effect. I was able to switch to this background with just my smartphone. Like I do not have an RGB lighting. I did this with just my smartphone using just the CAPCUT app. So guys, I will be teaching you this video. If you know you want to know how I was able to do this, come closer. Just come closer. This video is for you. Let me show you something. To do this, you need to open your CAPCUT app and then you tap on new project. Then you import whichever video you want to edit. Now once you tap on the video, you just add it. Then you tap on the video which is showing over here. Once you tap on it, you would have options. Then you scroll through the options and then you're gonna see relight. You tap on relight, then you tap on your neon by color. You tap on it twice. Then once you tap on it twice, you're gonna have this interface. Once you have this interface, you're gonna see light one should be on both. Then you just play around with the colors. This is light one. You can raise it up and readjust it to whichever position you want as it's showing on your screen. Then you just play around with the colors, pick whatever color you want, whatever color that suits you, and you could play around with the intensity. You could either increase or decrease the intensity. Then you go over to the light 2 and switch it over to background. Then you also play around with the intensity and play around with the colors and just play around with it. And as you can see, we have this number 1 icon showing over here. We have to wait for this white stuff rotating to go round until it gives us a green tick, meaning the effect has been fully applied on our video. So once that's done, while waiting for this to load, I just went ahead to increase the volume of my video. I still tapped on the video and I scrolled through the options I have down below, and then I saw volume and I increased the volume. Then I went ahead to reduce noise by also still scrolling through the options. I saw reduce noise and then I ticked on it. So we're still waiting for this to load up. Yeah, so it's reducing the noise, as you can see. So we're still waiting for this to load up, and now it has finally, it's almost done. Yeah, it's finally done. So now this is what we have. This is how you can basically add RGB lighting effect to your video without actually having an RGB lightning. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.